All right, class, last one, question number 29. Describe the transformations, that should be a plural there. Describe the transformation that takes the parent function graph y equals x squared to the graph y equals -2 times x plus 4 squared plus 10. I'll tell you right now, this actually becomes pretty darn easy when you know what vertex form looks like. This a value, class, is -2. This h value is -4. Remember, it's always the opposite from what you see. The k value is always the sign you see, 10. Now take a look at what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to describe this. The a value of -2 means it's going to go upside down. So a is negative, so the parabola is going to go upside down, and it's going to be thinner. And that's because if you look at the a, effective a, if we have +2, the graph gets pulled up. Well, -2, the graph gets pulled down. It's going to be thinner. Take a look at our h value. -4 means we're going to go left, left 4. And our k value of 10 means we're going to go up 10. So that's pretty easy, class. If you find a, h, and k, just go ahead and verify what do they do to your parabola, and then just write this out. Now, I'm not going to write it out. I'm telling you, if you don't write it out, it says describe the transformation. You better describe what's happening here in sentences. So one of the options you could have is you could say h equals -4, so the vertex moves 4 to the left. The k value is 10, so the vertex moves up 10. The a value is negative, so the parabola opens down. And since the a value is -2, that means we are pulling the graph down. We're stretching it down and making it thinner. One of the other ways we write this, class, is we just say the vertical stretch is 2 and the graph opens down. When you think about stretch, the actual stretch value, I'm not going to write this. When you think about the actual stretch value, you just say we're stretching by 2. Notice, class, it doesn't matter that this is negative. The negative just means the parabola opens upside down. The 2 right here, this is what's telling you it's stretching by 2. So there you go. Vertex moves up 10. Vertex moves 4 units to the left. And the parabola opens down. And the parabola is stretched by a factor of 2. And that's it for number 29.